Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by -0.99% compared to the same day last year, at 42,710.0. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by -2.43% compared to the same day last year, at 2,587.4. The price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has increased by -1.90% compared to the same day last year, at 315.2.
Latest news.
Core Scientific confirms Chapter 11 reorganization plan, set to emerge and relist on Nasdaq. Core Scientific, a blockchain computing data center and software solution provider, has announced that the bankruptcy court in Texas has confirmed its reorganization plan. The company is set to emerge and relist on the Nasdaq by January 2024. The plan includes the exercise of warrants given to existing shareholders and the issuance of new shares through an equity rights offering. The company's existing debt will be repaid with the proceeds from the exercise of warrants, resulting in a reduction of approximately $1 billion from its debt balance. The company's reorganization plan also includes the equitizing of around $4 million in secured and unsecured claims, while reducing annual debt service by approximately $60 million. The company's exit from bankruptcy coincided with a rise in Bitcoin prices to $43,000, driven by renewed investor interest following the SEC's approval of spot ETFs in the US and anticipation of the upcoming BTC halving. Solana meme coin Dogwifhat surges 51% in 24 hours, boosting SOL price. Solana-based meme coin Dogwifhat, WIF, has experienced a significant surge in value, with the coin increasing by 50% over the last 24 hours to a current price of $0.42 million. Over the past week, WF has risen by 257% and now has a market cap of $439 million, making it the 140th largest cryptocurrency by market cap and the 5th largest meme coin overall. The upward movement comes after Solana Labs announced plans to release a second smartphone following the Solana saga, tentatively called Chapter 2, set to release in 2021. Meanwhile, another meme coin, VanEck, is down by 4% over the past day. Overall, the cryptocurrency market is down about 5% over the past day, with Bitcoin and Ethereum both down about 2% during the same period. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella discusses AI and Rabbit R1 at Davos. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella discusses AI and its impact on computing during conversation in Davos. He expresses admiration for Rabbit R1, an AI-powered standalone device that recently debuted. Nadella believes agent-centric operating systems will define the next generation of computing, and the device, which runs a large action model, learns to execute tasks for users, sold out quickly. Nadella also discusses the transformative role of AI in science, particularly in accelerating progress in fields like chemistry and biology. He compares the partnership between OpenAI and Microsoft to historic partnerships like Intel and Microsoft, and SQL Server with SAP. However, the partnership between OpenAI and Microsoft is currently under investigation by regulators worldwide. Crypto developer numbers decline. Experienced developers remain active. The crypto industry experienced a wave of new developers in 2021, but many did not survive the subsequent bear market. Electric Capital's annual report revealed that the number of blockchain developers active for less than 12 months fell by 53% year-over-year, while the number of developers with experience staying in the field increased. Bitcoin experienced a roughly 5% year-over-year drop and has just over 10 monthly active developers. Ethereum continues to lead in developer mindshare, with 2.7 times more dedicated new developers than runner-up Polygon. Solana, the comeback story of Taoling takes the 4th spot behind Other with about 4,700 new developers. The survey shows a significant increase in developers supporting more than one chain, now over 30%, including Ethereum developers who also work on Layer 2s. The US is the only region whose share of developers has declined since 2018. Axiom Space launches NFT auction with artwork inspired by X3 mission. Axiom Space is launching an NFT auction called Space Grails featuring artwork inspired by the upcoming Axiom Mission 3 to the International Space Station. The auction will take place on Nifty Gateway at 12 ET Wednesday in partnership with Axiom Space and Web3 creator platform Transient Labs. The auction includes 9 pieces of digital artwork minted as Ethereum NFTs, with some paired with physical versions that will be sent to space aboard Axiom Mission 3. Participating creators include artists Amber Vittoria and Jack Kaido, photographer Dave Krugman, and Artblocks founder and CEO Eric Snowfall Calderon in collaboration with Prohibition founder Jordan Lyle. Buyers of some NFTs, such as Vittoria's Everything You Know and Care About and Krugman's Eclipse, will also receive the physical version after it returns to Earth following the mission. The Axiom Mission 3 launch was initially scheduled for Wednesday but has been postponed to Thursday. Ripple CEO slams SEC as very hostile and calls chairman a political liability. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse criticized the SEC in a recent interview, calling the agency's approach to regulating the crypto industry very hostile and its chairman, Gary Gensler, a political liability. Garlinghouse also stated that Ripple faced a $1.3 billion lawsuit from the SEC in 2020 for allegedly selling unregistered securities in the form of XRP, but the company won in court last July, ruling that programmatic sales of XRP to retail investors did not qualify as securities. Garlinghouse also mentioned that an IPO in the U.S. is not currently being considered due to the SEC's approach to crypto regulation. JPMorgan CEO Jamie Dimon advises against Bitcoin involvement. JPMorgan CEO Jamie Dimon publicly criticized Bitcoin during an appearance on CNBC from Davos, advising people not to get involved. Despite his criticism, Dimon defended individuals' rights to use Bitcoin and mentioned the potential for tokenization of real-world assets. When asked about asset management giants like Fidelity and BlackRock entering the Bitcoin market through spot ETFs, Dimon claimed he doesn't care and vowed to be the last one to discuss the topic. VanEck plans to close and liquidate its Bitcoin strategy ETF. VanEck plans to close and liquidate one of its VanEck ETF products. The board approved the liquidation and dissolution of the VanEck Bitcoin strategy ETF, XBTF, on January 16, 2023. Shareholders can sell their shares on the fund's listed exchange before January 30, 2024, which may generate broker-dealer transaction fees. Shareholders will receive a cash liquidation distribution equal to the net asset value of their shares on the fund's liquidation date, which is expected to be on or before February 6, 2024. The liquidation proceeds are expected to be sent to shareholders on or before February 6, 2024. Economist Peter Schiff predicts new SEC regulations may impact Bitcoin's value. Peter Schiff, an economist, believes that new regulations from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, may negatively impact Bitcoin's value. The SEC recently approved spot Bitcoin ETFs, allowing them to start trading on the American market for the first time. Schiff expects the SEC to introduce new onerous regulations that will increase the cost of Bitcoin transactions, further undermining its use case and resulting in a sharp decline in price. Some Twitter users disagree with Schiff's theory, noting that Gensler has repeatedly stated that Bitcoin is not a commodity and regulatory changes from the SEC are a challenging process. Schiff has previously made incorrect predictions about Bitcoin's price, calling it a digital pyramid scheme and advising hodlers to sell their positions in the start of last year. Despite ongoing corrections, upcoming events in 2024 could propel Bitcoin towards new highs. Inception Capital raises $30 million for first fund. Inception Capital, previously known as OP Crypto, has raised $30 million for its first fund. The OP Fund of Funds (ILP) primarily targets family offices and high-net-worth individuals seeking diversified investments in early-stage crypto venture capital deals. Investors in the fund include Marana, FJ Labs, and Sarah Fund. The fund plans to invest in approximately 5 new investment managers and funds each year. BNB Chain launches $475,000 Hackathon plan for 2024. BNB Chain has announced a 47,500 million prize pool for its 2024 Hackathon, covering 6 tracks including AI, infrastructure, gaming, DPM, social, and academic research. The competition aims to encourage innovation and development in various fields. The event is expected to attract a diverse range of talent and foster collaboration among developers, researchers, and other industry professionals. Unstoppable Domains founder reveals roadmap for 2024. Unstoppable Domains founder Matt has announced the company's roadmap for 2022, which includes completing the integration of the .com domain names on the blockchain, supporting the inscription of set domain names, and optimizing the user experience for trading domain names. These plans aim to provide users with more control over their online presence, reduce the risk of domain name hijacking, and open up new opportunities in the space sector. The optimization of the user experience for trading domain names will make the process of buying, selling, and transferring domain names more seamless and user-friendly. Eiger takes over Starknet's Beerus repository for seamless integration into web-based wallets. Eiger has officially taken over the Starknet Beerus repository, integrating it into web-based wallets for a seamless lightweight client mode. Eiger's roadmap includes proven root synchronization, caching and recalculation, defining meta payloads, and expanded testing.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.